But you know, that's life. We have to survive here at Angeles. That's why, to the girls right there that you guys have a money, just just save it. Don't waste it for nothing or drinking with your friends. Cause what if one day we gonna get old, we not gonna stay in the bar? Cause life in the bar is hard. I mean, it's easy, but it's not good having sex with different, different guy, di ba po? Are you okay?
Yes, okey naman. Inaano ko na naman ngayon kahit paano makaano ako ng makaipon ako ng kahit pampuhunan ko ng ano, magtitinda ako kahit balot, chicharon na lang.
You're
Para
trying
kahit
to
paano
save
makaipon
money
ako, yes
so
ma'am.
you can sell as a
Makaipon ako ma'am
business
para
vendor
pang-tuwid ko
like
ma'am.
sell balot.
Yes ma'am. Uwi ako sa'min makaipon ako kahit paano.
If you sell balot na, I'm your first customer kasi I love balot.